Marine communication, 0 to 3, IMO standard marine communication phrases.
What is the name of your vessel and call sign identification?
The name of my vessel is Motor Vessel PMI Bohol. Papa Mike India Bravo Oscar Hotel Oscar Lima. Call sign Delta Echo Golf Alpha Romeo Delta. Identification 9289960.
What is your flag state?
My flag state is Panama.
What is your position?
My position is 36 degrees 4800 minutes decimal 28 north. 000 degrees 5100 minutes decimal 46.
What is your present course and speed?
My present course is 253 degrees and speed 12.7 knots.
From what direction are you approaching?
I am approaching from east.
What is your port of destination?
My port of my destination is Tagbilaran City Port.
What was your last port of call?
My last port of call is Panama.
What is your ETA in position?
My ETA is 1030 AM UTC.
What is your ETD from?
My ETD is 70730 AM UTC.
What is your airdrop?
My airdrop is 35.5 meters.
What is your draft forward and aft?
My draft forward is 9.4 meters and aft is 9.8 meters.
What is your present maximum draft?
My present maximum draft is 9.8 meters.
What is your freeboard?
My freeboard is 6.3 meters.
Are you underway?
Yes, I am underway.
What is your full speed and full maneuvering speed?
My full speed is 17 knots.
What is your cargo?
My cargo is general cargo and containers.
Do you carry any dangerous goods?
No, I do not carry any dangerous goods.
Do you have any deficiencies and restrictions?
No, I have no deficiencies and restriction. I am Motor Vessel PMI Bohol constrained by draft. My maximum permitted draft is 12.3 meters.
Do you have any list?
No, I have no list.
Are you on even keel?
Yes, I am on even keel.